We'll guide you through how to upload a photo on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram and you're wanting to upload a photo. There are different ways in which you can do this, so make sure it's this full guide so you understand the options you've got. Press the profile icon in the bottom right and here we are. So you can go and see your feed here if you've got anything here, you may not though. What you can do is go to the top left and press the plus. You could press this on the home page as well. This opens up Create. So we're mainly going to be covering post and story. So you can see story there. If you go and press post and upload it this way, it'll then go and be added onto your feed here, which is what I want to do. If you go and press story, it'll be posted on your story, but that will go and expire after 24 hours. So I prefer to do post. Let's press the plus and press post. You can choose what you want to go and post. You can scroll through it. You can press select over to the right if there are multiple. So let's go and say I wanted to go and post this. I'll go and crop it a little bit at the top there. Then you can press the arrow in the top right. At the bottom, you can go and add audio, text, overlay, filters, and edit. Then you can go and press next in the bottom right like so. In here, you can go and add a caption and you could go and make it add a poll, add a prompt, add audio, tag people, tag products, add a location, add an AI label, and you can go and choose the audience and you can press also share on and press more options as well. Then when you're ready, press share at the bottom and it's going to go and post and it's going to go and appear on our profile, as you can see.